Yuyuan Garden or Yu Garden is a classical garden in Huangpu District, Shanghai. Yu Garden was a private garden of the Pan family in the Ming Dynasty. It was the largest and most prestigious of its era in Shanghai after it was completed. Let's go to Yuyuan Garden first to avoid crowd in the outer area. I suggest you visit this place in the morning so you can explore around, especially the Uun Bazaar. The ticket is about 30 yuan and half the price for senior, which is quite affordable. Now, let's go inside. When I enter, the first I see is the red lantern. That's right, Chinese New Year will be held soon. For your information, this video is taken in December. Yuyuan Garden reflects classical Chinese architecture and exquisite sculpture and rock carvings. The vibes is very peaceful, though there is the elements that makes this place extraordinary. The rock, the water, the trees, the pavilion is a harmony that complete each other. Now let's go to Wanhua Tower. Walk in this area is like entering Kung Fu drama. A long corridor beside the wall is very scenic. At the end of the corridor, there are two old trees. One is a 400 years old ginkgo biloba tree, and the other is 100 years old Magnolia grandiflora. This tree is a witness to the modernization of this place. Beside is the pond with beautiful rock carvings. Next, we are going to Juicy Pavilion. This pavilion overlooks a large fish pond, where on the side you can see trees line up. This building is intended for tasting tea. Cross the bridge and you will find Tianjun Hall. It was once the northern Shanghai headquarters of Shanghai Small Sword Society. And across from that you will see Feng Wu Luan Yin. This is the stage to perform fighting and singing. Then let's move to Yuhua Hall. Basically, this is another hall with smaller section. There's another bridge that connects to Hanpi Tower. Beside the Hanpi Tower is the Jingguan Hall. Jingguan is the inner garden's main building. It looks fancier than the other place we visited. After explore it, you will find exit gate that connect to the Uun Bazaar. We are at the center of Uun Bazaar. Let's explore. The market provides visitors with delicious local food. Don't forget to try Nanxiang Xiaolongbao. It is a steamed crab stuffed bun, or famous as Xiaolongbao. Their location is different from their restaurant, and this is a grab-and-go type of place. Nanxiang Xiaolongbao is across Yuyuan food court, while their restaurant is at the back of this place. Beware of their long line. Get yourself to their restaurant if you can. But if you cannot endure the long line like me, just taste their xiaolongbao. Because I like mochi, I would like to recommend this place. I can't spell it because it is written in Chinese. Their mochi is incredible, has a generous filling, and the size is huge. They have 4 kinds of mochi in one box. Now I would like to take you a tour to Yuyuan food court. The food court is on 2nd floor. They have many types of food. Believe me, it got what you want from Shanghai food. It has 7 or 8 food stalls to try. For me, I tried this kind of food stall. From the look, my first thought is, wow, it's very cheap. Let's taste it. I have mapo tofu, braised pork belly, and salted vegetables. Mapo tofu tastes a bit spicy with strong pepper. It's perfect if you combine with rice and sauteed vegetables, which is savory and a little salty, while braised pork belly you can eat without combining it because it has salted vegetable in it. After finish our lunch, we decide to see a souvenir shop outside. It is located beside the Yuyuan food court. For you who love luxury shopping with a bargain, I will guide you to Florencia Village. If you want to go here, just take the metro to Yuandong Avenue station. There is free shuttle waiting for you. Let's explore inside. Near the entrance is a Piazza San Jacopo. This place is inspired by Italian architectural style. One thing to be considered is you can get tax-free, while when you shop outside, only a few shops offer a tax-free in Shanghai. Walk towards and you will see Piazza San Firenze. This is the center of the village. If you want to enter, especially the high fashion brand, you need to prepare yourself. This is a shopper paradise. After shopping, I would like to take you to the top of Shanghai. First, you need to go to Lujiasui. Lujiasui is a new financial district of Shanghai. There is an overpass that is devoted to pedestrians. We can take a good photo with a background of skyscraper. While we go to Shanghai Tower, we will passing IFC Mall. IFC Mall has the most luxury brand in all of Shanghai Mall. One step closer to Shanghai Tower. Let's buy the ticket first. I suggest you buy the observatory only because the damper exhibition is still on trial. After that, head down to wait for your elevator. Inside, they have time-lapse from 1800 until 2018. In the middle of waiting line, there's a photo shoot. Now, after you pass the first phase, you will be waiting again in front of the elevator. This elevator is very fast. You can reach the top under 2 minutes. The observation is circular. You can see Pudong area and the bund from the top. Also, you can see from above the unobstructed view of Shanghai World Financial Center and Jinmao Tower. The view is amazing. Now, that's all for today. My stomach is calling me. While I search for a restaurant in IFC Mall, I found a good bakery with nice interior design. It is named Uun Bazaar. They have good selection of cake, bread, and mochi. I bought the Bolwo Club and salty Parmesan cheese. Taste is delicious. This is a little gem. I choose Guyi Henan restaurant for our dinner. It is a bit pricey and fancy. I ordered tofu with pork intestines, pork with vegetables, and mixed sauteed cauliflower. This is a wrap up of my journey in a day. Let me do the tired thing, and for you, just sit back and enjoy from your couch. Hit the like button if you like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.